Plus link is in the description if anyone is interested in checking it out. And please do use my link in the description if you do decide to check out Ipsy. It does give me 600 points to choose additional products. Now this is a mystery bag this month, and the reason it's a mystery bag is because I forgot to choose my 3 items for this Ipsy Plus, and I've been so busy that this is actually March, and I actually skipped May because I couldn't even keep up with March. So my first impression is that I love this bag. I love this print of this lady on the front in white, the ombre blue. Love it. I just wish it didn't have the Ipsy tag on it, but I guess I could take that off, right? Typically I have all skincare, but let's go ahead and see what Ipsy chose for me. First item is some makeup brushes. And right off the bat, it looks like one is bent. That little one is bent. Oh, great. But these are made by Beauty for Real. And I'm going to go ahead and insert some information about this product right here. So the 5-count makeup brushes are designed by pro makeup artist and do retail $42. Hopefully there isn't a problem getting a replacement since I'm so late opening this. So the next is the Farrah 18-hour liquid eyeliner. And this isn't something that I can use. My eyes I need hypoallergenic. I can't put anything near my eyes, so I'll find it a home or put it into a giveaway. It does retail $18. It says it's a nice graphic cat eye or winged eyeliner look. So the next is the Refreshments Pearly Body Wash Coconut Colada. Wow, this box is batting 1,000 here. I am allergic to coconut, but it's fine on the outside of the body, I'm sure. I just can't ingest it. So as it says, it's without gluten and nut allergens, skin friendly, and clinically allergen and dermatologic tested. So we'll see about that. So the next is the Serafina Botanicals Cherry Moya and Fig Long Lasting Vegan Lip Stain. This LATTE is a cinnamon spice color. Glides on smoothly, long-lasting, and does retail $18. Says it won't smudge. I love the brand Serafina Botanicals, but I'm overloaded with lip color. If it was a different color, I would keep it regardless because I love lip stains, but that's the latte color. Okay, so the last one is Super Goop Daily Dose Vitamin C and SPF 40. So it's a broad spectrum sunscreen serum combination. So you would wear this, you could wear it under other serums, under your CC creams, even under your foundation. So it's going to help get rid of dark spots and sun damage. This one has a retail of $46. So Ipsy has changed so much since BoxyCharm and Ipsy have combined. So these are my 5 items. Is it called BoxyCon? I forget. You either get a BoxyCharm now box or you get a small Ipsy Glam, I think. Same price. But anyway, these are my 5 items, and it does have a retail of $138 for the 5 items. So what do you guys think of this little mystery one here from Never Gonna Do It Again? I like choosing my own products, but let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next.